Messy top knot. After washing your hair with Human Nature natural shampoo and conditioner, leave your hair to dry. Brush through your hair to smooth out any tangles. Curl the tips of your hair with a curling iron to add a bit of texture. This also makes it easier to style. Next, tip your head forward and tie your hair into a high ponytail. Then backcomb your hair to add texture and body. Twist it into a bun and secure with bobby pins. Brush out any loose strands with Human Nature's Smoothing Hair Serum. You've got yourself a no-fuss, easy, and chic top knot.